Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 20, remove custom animation on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go onto the dock, go to Finder, go to the OneDrive folder, navigate to work.pptx. Let's just click on this, wait for that to load. In the meantime, we can minimize Finder for the moment. Let's go to the presentation, go to the menu bar, go to animations. In the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to insert these custom animations. If you wish to watch that tutorial, it will be available for you at the end of this tutorial. Let's now click on number 1 and we can delete the custom animation. We can delete everything that's on screen that has the custom animations. That's now all gone, has been deleted. If we were to play the slideshow from the start, we can now see that there are no custom animations. Let's just click on escape. There are no transitions, no animations. If we wish to return these back to the slides, you may watch the previous tutorials. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.